Good morning, this is Philip at Profix Auto Repair. We just finished up an alignment on a Tesla Model 3, and like so many others, this customer had premature tire wear. He had his tires replaced at 26,000 miles and then brought it straight to us for an alignment. We performed the alignment, and for the most part he had toe issues, and those were corrected. However, the rear camber is also off, and you can see from this diagram, the Tesla parts catalog, that the upper link is not adjustable. Neither is any other points for the camber on the rear. And they say you can get loosen these bolts off and get a 1/10 of a degree or so, but you're really not able to get any movement at all. The solution to this problem is to go with an aftermarket product like Unplugged Performance's links here. You can see that these are adjustable, much heavier built, and great product. Installing these on the rear of this car will allow us to get that camber perfect, and this will be a happy customer. If you have any alignment concerns on your Tesla, give us a call at Profix Auto Repair in Norman. Thank you.